Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing Lacolors press-on nails. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But before we start the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, I am doing videos testing out all different kinds of press-on nails. So if you have any press-on nails you want me to try in a future video, comment down below and let me know. Let's start the video. Lacolors press-on nails. 12 nails come in a package, so you will need 2 packages for one nail set. I did pick these up at Dollar Tree. They had a bunch of different colors. They're super cute and simple. And they also do not come with glue, so you do have to purchase glue on your own. And they do not come with a file either. So I am just going to be applying these nails like I do all my other press-on nails. Like I said before, I have a bunch of different videos trying different press-on nails, so I will link those in the description of this video. So I'm just going to start applying them, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking an alcohol wipe and just running over my nails and removing any oils. I didn't get that step on video, but I always do that. It definitely helps, I think, prepare your nail to be able to hold the glue and make the nail last longer. So now I'm just going to start out by taking a file and I'm just going to be filing down my nails. This is going to kind of rough your nail bed up so the glue has something to stick to, so your nail isn't so smooth and the glue will have something to stick to last longer. You do want to be careful and not file too much of your nail and damage your nail, just enough to give the press-on nail something to kind of stick to, so you don't really have to put in that much effort when filing. And I'm just going to be repeating those same steps to my other hand. Also, I am going to be just filing down the edges of my nails so my real nail does not peek through the press-on nails. So now I'm ready for the press-on nails, and I'm just going to be struggling to open that packaging, but then I'm just going to dump them all out and sort through them and pick what nail fits my real nails. There was only 2 options for your thumbnail and your pinky nail. The rest of your nails all did not have a second option. There's only one option, so you have to use that nail. So there definitely isn't as many nails to choose from as if you were using like Kiss press-on nails, but for only $2, I definitely think that it was a pretty good deal. I do want to add that I didn't have any problems with any of the nails not fitting my real nails, and I was kind of worried about that because in the packaging these press-on nails did look kind of small, and I was worried that they were going to be too small for my nails and my real nail was going to peek out the side or something like that, and I definitely didn't have that problem. So once all the nails are picked out, it's time to start gluing them, and I'm just going to be using some nail glue that I already had from a previous nail set because these nails did not come with glue and I totally forgot to buy any extra glue. So I'm just going to be using this glue, and I was actually almost out and I barely had enough to do this video. So I'm just going to be lining up the nail, getting ready to press it on so the nail doesn't end up crooked or anything like that, because I definitely have had that happen before. So I'm just kind of taking my time and lining that up, and then once I press it down, I do want to hold it down for around 20 seconds, I would say, just because I want to make sure that the nail is fully pressed down and glued and not going anywhere. And I'm just going to be repeating those gluing steps to all my other nails. I was kind of worried since these nails were only $2. I thought they might kind of look too fake, but actually I don't think they look that fake at all once I glued them on. They actually look pretty good and I am really impressed by them. I definitely wasn't expecting them to be this good of quality for only $2. So I usually go for more longer nails, and these are actually pretty short, and I'm actually really impressed. I really like them. I wasn't really sure how I'd feel about them, and I was worried that because they are so short, they wouldn't fit my nail properly, and like I said, I'm not having any issues with how they fit my nail. The only thing I would change is probably next time if I try these press-on nails again, I would probably try to find a different glue because I really wasn't having much luck with this glue. It worked really good, but like I said, I was almost out, so I was squeezing, trying to get as much out as I could, and I feel like I could have used more glue on some nails. So I was going to do a wear test, but I totally forgot to update you guys on how long these nails lasted. So I am just going to put in here that they did last well over a week, almost that 2-week mark, but some nails were falling off by the time I did have them on for 2 weeks. So definitely I think if I use these nails again, I would use a different kind of glue. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. I mean, you can't go wrong. They were only $2 and they're super cute. If you are interested in me doing kind of a wear test video using a different set of nails by Lacolors, definitely comment down below and let me know because I would love to do that for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.